I just made a video on the fact that you can accidentally press F and get stuck in full screen, and that got me to thinking it's probably useful to know exactly what the default shortcuts are in Photoshop. So there's actually a shortcut to see all the shortcuts. So if you hold down Shift, Control, Alt and K, or Shift, Command, Alt and K on a Mac, it will actually pop up, and within all of these sections here it will tell you what the default shortcuts are for each of these jobs, and it looks like you can actually change it as well, so you can update a shortcut to be to your preference. Let's have a look at some examples. So if we go into Image, some of these don't have shortcuts, but you can actually define them yourself if you want to. If we keep going down, you can see Control L, which I used in another video as well, and Control U for hue and saturation, which I think I'll do a quick video on as well. So there's plenty of information in here for you to trawl, and I'll try and make separate little videos on each of these things if I can, to give some insight onto them as well. Awesome, I hope that's helpful.